yun? Chris Aquino, bakit? It's so good. Don't ever say that. They don't like it. You know what? I'll be right back. I don't want to pour any chemical over there. I want to squirt something, so I need to look for squirters. Huh? Okay, I put the chemical inside here in the Windex spray. I have to finish this thing, guys. I'm just watching vlogs of Pinay New Yorker TV, but ito, umiiyak. Gustong pumasok. Pero, I'm not done. I'm just gonna start it now.
Not done yet, but almost there. The hair and the headgear, choker. So soon. Cute. Yeah. What do you guys think? Thank you. Bye-bye.
So right now, andito ako sa higaan. Kasi, I don't know, masakit yung puson ko, guys. I just had my thing, but bakit masakit pa rin? Ang sakit-sakit! I defrost already the malunggay for later because I'm planning to make some, I'm planning to do mukbang later. Yeah, I like my makeup, guys. Oh, I'm using the, I never really use it again. It's been a long time that I haven't used the foundation that I'm using right now is the Too Faced Born This Way. I have that. It's kind of really drying on my face, but right now it's not because I sprayed with the Wet n Wild. Not the Wet n Wild, the next spray, the dewy one. It's a really good foundation, expensive. That's the first time I buy expensive foundation, and I never really keep using it. I rather using my L'Oreal True Match, and then the Wet n Wild also. I love it. And also the one that Maybelline, the Dewy Smooth. So ito yung ginawa ko, guys. Nagta-transfer lang ako. Maliit lang yung kainin ko kasi later I want to eat a lot of my mukbang. So what I need is ginger. I have the white onion. I realized that I have it. Oh my God, nag-iinarte na naman ako. Ganito ako, guys, kapag maarte. Nasaan na yun? Chris Aquino, bakit? Stupid. Did I use it? What? Show me. Show me the money. Show me. Oh, I'm looking for the tomato. I know my sister-in-law gave me tomato. I guess I did use it. I forgot that I have biko too. My goodness. Whatever. I need to cook more rice. I don't have tomato. I marinated the salmon because I want to fry it before I'm gonna make soup. You know, I decided, guys, also to have 2 pack of malunggay. This one is unfrozen already. This one is still frozen. I love freaking malunggay. How much more if it's fresh, you know, yung malunggay. Masarap siya, guys, yung malunggay. Sobrang sarap. Gagawa lang ako ng rice, guys. Oh my God, rice is life. Hi, guys. Yun, guys. Oh. Yeah. So, this is the sinabawang malunggay at, you know, salmon. Yung salmon, guys, I kind of fried it first. I want it to fry, brown it, but it turned out that the soup is kind of, did you see the color of the water? It's kind of brown a little bit because of the fishy ano ni. Lemongrass. Where is the lemongrass? It's right here. And also I have a ginger here. So that's what I have. And you know what? I love this kind of province food. Like, you know, we cook it in the province. And okay, the salmon. Ito yung salmon. Pinirito ko siya parang may pagka color na siya. I marinated it and then I fry it and then yun, nilagay ko dito. Let me taste it. Malunggay yun, nandun sa kilaukan ko. Alam mo talagang yung isda, yung subak, yung nakalagay kasi matamis yung sabaw. Sobrang tamis, sarap-sarap. So, ito yun. So, at saka, of course, I have my hindi mawawalang suka at saka lemon at saka sili. Yun. I plan to go to the store today to get some tomato because I want this, you know, gusto ko talagang may tomato, yung mga ganito. Masarap ito guys pag ano yung tawag nito yung pag winter, sobrang sarap nito. Kapag mga sabaw, yun. Oh, meron akong ano guys ba, meron akong gustong sabihin ba. Di ba yung sa atin sa Pilipinas? It's so good. It's so good. Di ba sa atin sa Pilipinas? Rox is staring at me. I'm sure guys, I have to eat. It's really good. So good. So, sa Pilipinas sa atin, di ba? Yung mga kaibigan natin, di ba? Pamilya or kaibigan. Sabihin, huy, ang taba mo na. Di ba proud tayo kapag dito sa, kasi merong nagko-comment, ang taba-taba ko na. Guys, totoo naman, sobrang taba ko na. Hindi naman ako nasaktan nun. Hindi naman ako nasaktan sa mga magsasabing mataba na ako. I eat too much. Hindi ako napiktuhan. Kasi di ba sa atin, yung mga pag huy, tumaba ka na. Di ba sa atin, saka yung i-answer natin, ang isagot natin, di ba? Oo, kasi pinakain ako ng asawa ko pinakain ako ng asawa ko at saka hindi ako pinabayaan, may pagkain talaga. Yung ganyan. Pero dito, guys, sabihan mo yung mga putli. Tamparuson ka sa. Tamparuson. Laparuhon nyo ka guys. Slap your face. No, they won't slap, but they really get insulted. And it's really rude to see that you gain weight, especially women here in this country. If you say you gain weight, you kinda chunky, chubby, don't ever say that. They don't like it. They don't like it. You will be lucky if the woman don't say anything. They just like ignore, just don't wanna say anything to you, but they get hurt. But they found you very rude. But you're very unlucky if you encounter another woman that will talk to you back and fight with you. I'm sorry guys, this mukbang is just mukbanging. So good. Yung sabaw alam mo talagang seafood. Yung isda mong sagol, isda yung nandun kasi. Ay, ang sabaw, sarap-sarap. Saka itong kalamonggay. Now, I'm curious. When I got this one, the kalamonggay, it's frozen from Asian store. And it says horseradish leaves. It says horseradish leaves. And then I went online and looked in Google. Horseradish leaves. It's different. Bakit horseradish, guys? Can you please answer me? Is it really a horseradish leaves? Because in Google, they have different kind of leaves in horseradish. Ba yung horseradish leaves kasi sa Google So, I was kind of curious and confused. What is really happening? Is this real horseradish or it's just somebody bought it wrong? Sarap. Oh my God, ang sarap. I feel like I'm in the Philippines. I have to break it apart and then put that is spicy thing. Tomorrow, Tommy called me and it says she want me to go there very early tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. He want me to go very early to drop his mother and to bring her over here. So, because Tommy cannot be there. Sarap nito eh. Yung salmon. Masarap talaga yung salmon. Mas lalo na yung tuna. I like tuna. Diba yung tuna? Palagi nating inilagay sa mga ganitong ulam. I can eat this every day. The only problem when you are buying this malunggay frozen, if you buy this malunggay frozen, maraming little tiny stem, which doesn't bother me, but if it's too big and long, it will kind of choking me. Sarap. Nabusog na si mama, guys. Nabusog na si mama, Rox. She's kind of worried. She kind of... What's wrong? Did you eat the mushroom wild over there that when I don't know it? Did you eat the mushroom outside? That poisonous mushroom, guys. Did you eat the mushrooms when I don't realize that we have more over there? Bebe, did you? Okay. I'm done. I think she have problem, guys. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Oh my God, when I was doing mukbang, I kind of worried because Rox is doing like this, like the breathing or throwing up. I don't know. Other day, last week, I forgot that there's mushroom nut. I forgot that I don't see it, and then it's growing and it's ripped apart. That means she's been like eating it. She want to be rub. Hi guys, I'm just gonna end this vlog. Anyway, it's still early. It's at 6:57. It's almost 7 o'clock. But I'm going to end this vlog, guys, because I'm going upstairs and continue the video that I've been started this morning. I'm not even finished editing that one. I'm not even finished. Hindi pa tapos, guys. So I'm gonna continue editing that for I think for Monday. No, for Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Good night, guys. Night. See you bukas. Early ako bukas. So, see you sa isang bahay. Bye, guys. Good night. Bye-bye. Nawala na ako ng gana, guys. So, yun ang feel ko ngayon. Meron namang bahay. Nakabili ng bahay, pero hindi.